Hi everyone, welcome to Edtech with JRED. I'm Javier Rabagliati and I'm here to show you how to set up Google Chat. Let's go! If your school's email accounts are Google accounts, then you could set up Google Chat that used to be called Hangouts. It's an instant messaging app that could help you communicate with colleagues and students without having to give out your phone number. To set it up, log into your Gmail account and go to the gear icon and click See All Settings. Then find the Chat and Meet tab and click on Google Chat on the first section. If you don't see that option, it may be because Google is in the process of rolling out the new Google Chat to replace the old classic Hangouts. But we will focus on the new Google Chat. Click on OK and then Save Changes. By default, my Google Chat is going to appear to the left side of my inbox. You could change that by going back to the settings and choosing to show the chat to the right side of your inbox. You can also manage the chat settings here. However you change them, don't forget to click on Save Changes afterwards. So here you can see I have two new sections, Chat and Spaces. And that's it. Now you have your Google Chat set up. I hope you found this helpful. Bye!